is about positive ion technologies, which we are working on manufacturing some raw materials of lithium ion batteries, which is briefly lithium iron phosphate, which is a cathode material for lithium ion battery, which is actually less carbon emitting material, and less it is a great environment friendly, and it is all over. It's a very good cost optimized product for this lithium ion cell industry. What are the problems that we are trying to solve? This is actual about NMC and NCA batteries, what we are using presently. These batteries actually, because they are using cobalt and nickel in its core material, it's making it heavy and toxic. This making it's not environment friendly, and these batteries having a high discharge rate with a very low safety rating, and this also reduces the cobalt reserve which is presently in the earth drastically, because this cobalt and nickel itself are very critical materials in the earth. Now that we are giving our solution in the form of carbon coated lithium iron phosphate, our research in India labs has carried out a cost optimized process to develop this CLFP, what we called in short, which is having a good, very good high energy density, which is almost 180 watt hour per kg, and which is having a very slow discharge rate, what we can show in the next slide. And it is reducing the production cost by at least 20%. So this is the electrochemical performance of the product. If you can understand, I can let you I can explain, because the higher the 5 coulomb conditions.
Can you repeat that?
The higher the 5 coulomb conditions, the better electrochemical performance is considered as for cathode material or any anode material. So as you can see, the electrochemical performance of our product is on a good side. Now, what is the market? What every investors want to listen. The market is basically we have found out some global market potentials, which is in form of like SK Innovation or A123 systems. Presently in India, there is no companies who are involved in LFP manufacturing or LFP cell manufacturing precisely, but there may be Tata Chemicals or Amara Raja Batteries may be involved in this field, because this is the future of the lithium-ion cell industry. Now the outlook, we can see there may be a major requirement annually, which is almost 7 lakhs tons per annum, because almost the global cell makers are moving towards it. In today itself, Tesla, CATL, there is Northvolt in every region, in every country. The major cell makers as today are moving towards it, because they also want to give environment friendly solution to the industry. And we have our competitors. There are big shots like in the name of CATL, which is having a 26% market share. Beside this, we are having a Prion, we are having Johnson Matthey, who are manufacturing and meeting the present demand. So there is some difference in our product from what they are manufacturing. That is, our product is the four main identifications, which is less time consuming. We are reducing the production cost by 20%, and we are omitting the use of external carbon coating, thus helping in less emission of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in the environment, and we are providing a good consistent nature than the present material. And of course, we are generally we cannot compete with the big shots. So we are just here to share the market with them all along, and we are here to provide the user, I mean the lithium and cell manufacturers, a broader benefit of this technology what we have derived. Now, this is our business model. What we're thinking, we are already partnered with a third-party manufacturer. We are installing a plant which is kind of production capacity of this 1750 metric ton per year, and we are in talks. We are almost in final talks with a global distributor to route our product, and this we are expecting revenue projection we are expecting. We have considered this CUF like at a very laser condition, laser measurement, which is 5% continuous, 10, 15, and 40 continuously. This is our projection. We can share it. The market is big, very big market. As I already shared, there is a requirement of 770 kiloton per annum. So we are just sharing a very smaller amount of this market, and we are looking presently for a funding of 450,000 US dollars. And the major part of this fund will be used for our lab equipments, because innovation should not be waived off. So innovation and testings, everything should not be waived off. That's why the lab equipments and the capex, this is comes in capex actually. So that's a major amount will be used of. And we are presently continuing research and some further developments at our labs, developing some POC. So this is the total requirement of this fund. I hope this is my team actually. My team also present here actually. Myself, Akash, I'm a civil engineer and having a 5 years experience in the chemical field itself. Mr. Shubhajyoti Adhikari, unfortunately, he is being diagnosed with COVID, so he is not present today. Shubhajyoti Adhikari is here. He is also a civil engineer and he is having a 4 years experience in the relevant field. And Sukanta Shah is a software engineer. He is voluntarily with us for the growth of this venture. Thank you. I am open for questions. Anybody has any queries?
Thank you, Akash, for this wonderful presentation and taking the initiative on the clean energy at this engage. I appreciate your efforts and this is wonderful presentation. From investor side, right? Does anyone have any questions?